Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since my last video. I've been trying to do videos every weekend, and it seems every weekend I end up playing the game. We actually did play yesterday. Sundays I generally don't like to do anything, but I decided, you know what? The board's still out. Let me do a couple videos. When I say couple, maybe just this one. I'm not sure, but there is a lot of content I've been meaning to put out, and one of them is these damage markers. I made these from, it was the holidays. There was a lot of LED crap running around. And I saw these bad boys right here. And I was like, you know what? I think I could do some damage markers out of that thing. And here they are. I figured six is enough. I don't think I've ever had a game where I had three things going on at the same time. So these work out great. In addition to, after the mod was complete, they are the same size as these. And anyone who has played with me knows, I use the orange and the red chips as damage counters. You notice these factories are different. These are the ones from Historical Board Gaming. Just painted is all. So, which I will do another video on those, but I'm meaning to do that video as well. I know General Hand Grenade did a video on Historical Board Gaming's factories, but I wanted to show mine because they're all painted. So, guess that's it. I mean, I just wanted to put out something. I haven't done anything in quite a long time. These things, we've been using them now for probably the past month or even more. Like I said, around the holidays, man, there was just so much LED junk out there. My brain was just going. So that's it. A quick short video. Hope you like the damage markers. We'll get some more stuff out shortly. All right, guys, take care and bye bye.